Hello clients! This is Christian, your trusted real estate sales partner. Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng affordable, secure, convenient, at accessible condo unit property in Batangas City? Or gusto magkaroon ng condo unit for passive monthly income profit? If yes, samahan niyo ko sa video na ito. Good news! Dahil dito kay Urban Deca Homes Batangas, for as low as 10,000 reservation fee with complete requirements, magkakaroon ka na ng 2-bedroom condo unit property. At ang kagandahan pa, pwede nating ipasok through Pag-ibig and bank financing. Free loan processing, no hidden charges, lifetime ownership with clean title. Perfect for starting families, young professionals, or investment property. Dahil accessible at convenient ito sa magre-rent. Malapit ito sa schools and universities tulad ng Batangas State University, Lyceum of the Philippines, University of Batangas, STI, Westmed International Schools, at marami pang iba. Urban Deca Homes Batangas is perfect choice for you. Located ito along National Road, Barangay Balagtas, Batangas City, right beside SM Hypermarket. Malapit din ito sa Startol, Batangas Port, Camelos Hospital, Grand Terminal, SM Batangas, churches and schools. Sa halagang 10,000 reservation fee, ma-enjoy mo na ang mga amenities katulad ng clubhouse para sa special event ng pamilya mo, covered basketball court, playground, at guardhouse na 24/7 security. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Message mo ako para ma-avail mo ang promo discount na exclusive para sa iyo. At tutulungan kita from site viewing to reservation at ma-turn over ang unit mo. Once again, this is Christian, your trusted real estate sales partner. See you, clients!